Welcome back to the Herbalist channel. Today, we're exploring a powerful herbal trio: rosemary, thyme, and mint. This combination is a health powerhouse, offering incredible benefits for your body and mind. But it doesn't stop there. We'll also show you how to use this mixture in the kitchen, in drinks, sauces, and even desserts. So grab a comfy seat and let's dive in. Let's start by introducing these amazing herbs one by one. First, rosemary. This herb is famous for its distinctive pine-like fragrance. But did you know it's also loaded with antioxidants? Antioxidants are like tiny warriors in your body, protecting your cells from damage. This means rosemary can help slow aging and reduce inflammation. It's also a favorite among herbalists for improving memory and concentration. In fact, ancient Greeks believed rosemary could enhance brain function. It's no wonder they called it the herb of remembrance. You might be asking, how do we use rosemary in our daily lives? Stick around. I'll share some simple tips later in this video. Now let's talk about thyme. This small herb is big on benefits. Like rosemary, it's packed with antioxidants, but thyme also has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. During flu season, thyme becomes your best friend. It helps clear congestion, soothe sore throats, and support your immune system. Plus, it's rich in vitamins like A and C, giving you that extra health boost. And finally, let's not forget mint. Mint isn't just for chewing gum or mojitos. It's a natural remedy for digestion, headaches, and even stress relief. Its cooling properties can ease nasal congestion and refresh your senses. When combined, these three herbs create a blend that's as versatile as it is beneficial. Whether you want to fight off a cold, boost your immunity, or simply enjoy some natural flavors, this mixture has got you covered. Now that we know the benefits, let's explore some creative ways to use this mixture. First up, the classic herbal tea. This recipe is so simple, you'll want to make it every day. Take 1 teaspoon of each dried herb, rosemary, thyme, and mint. If you're using fresh herbs, use about 2 teaspoons of each. Add them to a small pot with 2 cups of water. Bring it to a boil, then let it simmer for about 7 minutes. Strain the tea into a cup, and here's the fun part. Customize it. Add a drizzle of honey for sweetness and a slice of lemon for a zesty twist. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try adding a pinch of cinnamon for warmth. This tea is perfect for boosting your immunity, especially in the colder months. Plus, it's soothing for your throat and helps clear your sinuses. Next, let's turn this blend into an herbal-infused oil. This is a game changer in the kitchen. Here's how you do it. Take half a cup of olive oil and gently heat it on the stove. Add a teaspoon of rosemary, thyme, and mint. Let the herbs infuse the oil for about 10 minutes on low heat. Once it's cooled, strain the oil into a jar. You can use this oil as a salad dressing, a marinade for grilled chicken, or even a drizzle over roasted vegetables. Not only does it add amazing flavor, but it also brings all the health benefits of the herbs to your meals. How about making a refreshing herb syrup? This is perfect for summer drinks or even desserts. Combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar in a saucepan. Add a sprig each of fresh rosemary, thyme, and mint. Heat the mixture until the sugar dissolves, then let it simmer for 5 minutes. Once it's cool, strain out the herbs and pour the syrup into a bottle. This syrup can transform sparkling water into a fancy herbal soda, or drizzle it over pancakes, waffles, or fresh fruit for a unique twist. Now, let's talk about using these herbs in savory dishes. One of my favorite ways is to make a seasoning blend. Combine dried rosemary, thyme, and mint in equal parts. Add a pinch of salt, black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. Grind everything together using a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. Sprinkle this blend over roasted potatoes, baked fish, or even popcorn. The flavors are earthy, refreshing, and completely irresistible. If you're feeling creative, you can even use this herb mix to flavor bread dough. Just imagine the smell of rosemary, thyme, and mint wafting through your kitchen as the bread bakes. Finally, here's a dessert idea you might not expect. Try making rosemary and thyme shortbread cookies. Simply add a teaspoon of finely chopped rosemary and thyme to your favorite shortbread recipe. The herbs add a subtle, earthy flavor that pairs beautifully with the buttery cookies. And don't forget about mint, it's a natural partner for chocolate. Chop some fresh mint leaves and mix them into brownie batter for a refreshing twist. Before we wrap up, let me share a few storage tips for these herbs. Dried herbs should always be stored in airtight containers away from sunlight. This keeps their flavors and nutrients intact. Fresh herbs, on the other hand, can be wrapped in a damp paper towel and stored in the fridge. They'll stay fresh for up to a week this way. And remember, when using fresh herbs, rinse them gently under cold water. This keeps their flavors pure and clean. So, what do you think? Which recipe are you most excited to try? Will it be the tea, the oil, or maybe those unique shortbread cookies? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've got your own recipes using rosemary, thyme, and mint, I'd love to hear them. Thanks for spending time with me today on the Herbalist channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us share more natural remedies and healthy living tips with the world. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.